So my wife is telling me that she hears a grinding sound on the rear brakes of the vehicle. So I have it jacked up, took the brake caliper off the brakes, and you can still hear it. So I'm ruling out that it's the brakes. I even checked the dust shield. It's nowhere touching. So most likely it's in here, which is the emergency brakes. I already checked the cable back here. Everything seems to be loose, but maybe the pads need to be adjusted. So let's keep looking into this. All right, so I took off the brake caliper bracket. Now we could take off the rotor. Luckily, this one's not jammed. Let's see what we find behind here. A little bit of dust. How about this? What do we find here? Well, this is the pivot point with the emergency brake in the back. Let's see if I see any rubbing anywhere. It's hard to see, it's dark in here. And it is kind of rusty and bumpy. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, there's no pad on this at all. I mean, you can see it on this one. See the pad right there? This side here doesn't even have a pad. So that could be my issue. Have it down here. It looks like it broke. Yep, there it goes. It broke off. I wonder if it was stuck inside and it fell out. Let me see. Anything fall out? Yeah, there's a little piece right there that fell out. That could have been rubbing. All right. So I guess I found my problem. That was a scraping sound because she would hear it sometimes and sometimes she didn't hear it. So there's the emergency brake pad that's worn out. All right, time for new ones. Thanks for watching.